Take advantage of Millersville University's scholarship portal, where you have access to thousands of properly vetted external scholarships and hundreds of internal awards. This portal is only available to returning students with a Millersville GPA and new students who have paid their confirmation fee with admissions. Scholarship Universe allows you to answer questions about yourself, which will help to match you to awards that you can apply for. The questions and criteria used to match you to applications may include GPA, credits earned, major, degree level, extracurriculars, personal identifiers, and more. External scholarships can be accessed at any time through Scholarship Universe. Internal scholarships from Millersville University open after fall grades post each year and are applied to the next academic year. To apply for an internal scholarship, you must be a degree-seeking student and have a Millersville GPA. Remember, you will always have access to the public list of internal scholarships to see what become available and help you plan ahead. To access the thousands of scholarships available, go to millersville.scholarshipuniverse.com. All you need to sign in are your Millersville credentials. From your dashboard, you can see an overview of your information. Click on the Questions tab to provide answers and be matched to more applications. Click on the Scholarship tab to see all the different applications you can complete. Internal Millersville scholarships have a building icon next to it, while external scholarships have a globe. You can pin any scholarship that you are considering or click Apply to begin. Click on the Applications tab to view any pinned, started, or submitted applications. You can always upload letters of recommendation, your resume, or essays to the My Docs tab. If you are selected for an internal scholarship, you will receive an email notification to your Millersville email address and can view your history under the Awards tab. If you receive an external award, make sure to send a copy of your scholarship offer to the Office of Financial Aid. For more information on completing scholarship applications and writing essays, check out our video on scholarship tips.